we are going to discuss the question answers of the chapter Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Now, the first question is, how did the wizard help Roger Skunk? So, Roger Skunk had gone to the wizard as he wanted to be rid of his foul smell and asked the wizard to change to the smell of roses. So, taking his wand, I hope you all understood the magic stick, and reciting a magic spell, the wizard changed Roger Skunk's foul smell into the sweet smell of roses. Thereafter, all the little animals gathered around Roger Skunk because he smelled so good and started to play with him. Next question of the chapter, and the question is, how did Joe want the story of Roger Skunk to end? This question can be asked in some other way also, which I want to tell you. How did Joe want the skunk's story to end? How does Joe react to skunk's story? Why? How did Joe want the Roger Skunk story to end? Why? How did Jack end the Roger Skunk story, and how and why did Joe want to change it? In Jack's story, Roger Skunk's mother hit the wizard on the head and got him to change Roger Skunk back to his original smell. Joe did not like the ending because she felt that she would then be unhappy and lonely again. She wanted the wizard to hit the mommy on her head and not change the little skunk's sweet smell of roses back to his original one. So children, here this is the answer of second question. Now the third question. Third question is, why did Joe think Roger Skunk was better off with the new smell? Joe thought Roger Skunk was better off with the new smell as all the little animals gathered round him and made friends with him. They all played tag, baseball, football, basketball, etc. till it was dark and time to go home. Now next question is, what is the moral issue that the story Should Wizard Hit Mommy raises? As now the answer is here, but what is the moral is raised here? As children are growing up, they no longer unquestioningly accept their parents' decisions and opinion. They have their own ideas and are not afraid to voice them. Similarly, Joe could not be forced to accept Jack's ending of the story of Roger Skunk as she disagreed with him. Parents should also be able to adjust to their children's point of view. Next question is, why was Roger Skunk's mummy angry with him? What did she finally tell him? Very important question. And let me tell you, the answer of this is, Roger Skunk's mother was angry as she had gone to the wizard and had his smell changed to the sweet smell of roses. She felt it was unnatural as she was a skunk and should smell like a skunk. She took him back to the wizard to change his smell and was so angry that she hit the wizard on the head with an umbrella. After Roger Skunk's smell was changed back, his mother hugged him and said that he was her baby skunk again and she loved him a lot. So children, this is the answer of this question. Let us take the next question. Our next question is, how did Joe want the wizard? What did Joe want the wizard to do when Mommy Skunk approached him? Joe wanted the wizard to hit Mommy Skunk on his head and not change Roger Skunk back to his original smell. She wished he could keep his smell of roses, as then he would always be happy and have friends to play with. Next important question is, which part of the story did Jack himself enjoy the most and why? Jack enjoyed acting out the wizard's part. He would scrunch up his face and whine through his eyes. His old man's voice when he enacted the wizard's part was exceptionally good, as it suited him, and it was one of his favorite voice effect. Next question is, why does Jo insist that her father should tell her story with a different ending? Very, very important part of the story. See, we have discussed this. Jo didn't like the story and she requested her father to end a story in a different way. So, I repeat the question. Why does Jo insist that her father should tell her the story with a different ending? Jo insisted that her father should tell the story with a different ending, as she wanted Roger Skunk to continue smelling of roses. His new smell attracted the little animals who wanted to be his friends and play with him. She wanted the wizard to hit Mommy Skunk on his head and refused to change Roger back to his original smell. Next question, why did Roger Skunk want to change? Roger Skunk wanted to change his foul smell to one of roses so that he would have friends to play with and not be lonely anymore. The other animal often teased him by saying, "Here comes Roger's stinky skunk." And Roger would be left standing alone with two round eyes falling from his two round tears falling from his eyes. He was always humiliated by other animals and hence wanted to change his smell. Now, last question which I want to discuss with you is, how was Skunk's story different from other stories narrated by Jack? Of all of Jack's stories were same with slight difference in each. All the animals were named Roger, but the animals themselves changed from story to story. In this story, Roger was a skunk with a foul smell and had no friends to play with. He was always teased and humiliated by the little animal. Thus, finally, he went to the wizard to get his smell changed so that he would be accepted by others. So, children, I hope you have understood. We have discussed some questions.